Planet Earth is a watery world, but did you know that only a tiny fraction of that water is freshwater? Freshwater is the water found in rivers, lakes, and wetlands. These habitats may be small in size compared to the vast oceans, but they are teeming with life. Freshwater environments are incredibly diverse. From the icy streams of mountain ranges to the murky depths of Amazonian swamps, each habitat has its own unique character, and within these watery worlds, a stunning array of creatures has evolved to thrive. These animals are not just fascinating to observe, they play vital roles in maintaining the health of their ecosystems, and importantly, freshwater ecosystems provide us with vital services, including drinking water, irrigation, and transportation. Join me as we dive into the fascinating world of freshwater creatures. We'll explore their unique adaptations, their roles in the ecosystem, and the threats they face. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of life that exist just below the surface of our rivers, lakes, and wetlands. When we think of freshwater creatures, fish often come to mind first, and for good reason. Fish are the most abundant vertebrates in freshwater habitats, displaying a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors. From the sleek, powerful salmon migrating upstream to spawn to the tiny, camouflaged gobies hiding among the riverbed gravel, fish have evolved to thrive in a variety of freshwater habitats. Some fish, like the mighty catfish, patrol the bottom, using their sensitive whiskers to detect prey in murky water. Others, like the colorful guppies, prefer the calmer waters of lakes and ponds, where they dart among the plants searching for food. Many fish have streamlined bodies, perfect for navigating through flowing water. Their scales provide protection and reduce friction, allowing them to swim effortlessly, and their gills allow them to breathe underwater, extracting oxygen from the water itself. The next time you're near a river or lake, take a moment to observe the fish. You'll be amazed by their diversity and their remarkable adaptations to life in freshwater. Amphibians, such as frogs, toads, and salamanders, hold a special place in the animal kingdom. These fascinating creatures straddle the line between water and land, spending part of their lives in freshwater and part on land. Most amphibians begin their lives as aquatic larvae, like tadpoles. They breathe through gills, just like fish, and their tails propel them through the water. As they mature, most amphibians undergo an incredible transformation called metamorphosis. They develop lungs for breathing air, their tails shrink, and limbs sprout, allowing them to move onto land. While some amphibians, like tree frogs, venture far from water as adults, they must return to fresh water to reproduce. Their eggs are laid and fertilized in water, and their larvae develop in aquatic environments. Amphibians play important roles in freshwater ecosystems. They are voracious predators of insects, helping to keep populations in check. And they serve as prey for larger animals, forming a crucial link in the food web. While they may be small, insects play an outsized role in freshwater ecosystems. From the surface of the water to the muddy bottom, insects teem in astonishing numbers and diversity. Some insects, like water striders, are masters of surface tension. Their long legs, coated in water-repellent hairs, allow them to skate across the water's surface, hunting for prey. Others, like dragonfly nymphs, live underwater, breathing through gills and using powerful jaws to capture other insects, tadpoles, and even small fish. Many insects spend their larval stage in water, undergoing metamorphosis to develop into their adult forms. Mayflies, for example, spend months or even years as aquatic nymphs before emerging as winged adults for a brief but spectacular mating flight. Insects are not only important parts of the freshwater food web, but they also play vital roles in nutrient cycling and decomposition. They help break down organic matter, returning nutrients to the ecosystem. Section 5. Mammals' furry faces in freshwater. While we often associate mammals with land, many fascinating mammal species have adapted to life in freshwater habitats. These creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in and around water. River otters, with their sleek waterproof fur and webbed feet, are perfectly adapted for swimming and hunting fish in rivers and streams. Beavers, renowned for their engineering skills, build dams and lodges in rivers and wetlands, creating important habitats for other creatures, and hippos, despite their size, are surprisingly agile swimmers, spending their days wallowing in rivers and lakes to stay cool. These mammals demonstrate the incredible diversity of life found in freshwater habitats. They play critical roles in their ecosystems, influencing plant communities, controlling prey populations, and even shaping the physical environment. Section 6. Adapting to the flow: how freshwater animals survive. Life in freshwater presents unique challenges. Unlike the vast, stable oceans, freshwater habitats can change dramatically with the seasons. Water levels fluctuate, currents shift, and temperatures vary. But freshwater animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to meet these challenges head-on. Many fish, like salmon, migrate long distances, swimming upstream to spawn in their natal streams. This incredible journey requires remarkable navigation skills and the ability to overcome obstacles like waterfalls and rapids. Amphibians, with their permeable skin, must find ways to stay hydrated even when they venture onto land. Some, like toads, have developed tough, dry skin that reduces water loss. Insects, too, have evolved astonishing adaptations. Water striders have water-repellent hairs on their legs, allowing them to walk on water. Dragonfly nymphs have extendable jaws that shoot out to snatch prey with lightning speed. These are just a few examples of the incredible ways freshwater animals have adapted to survive and thrive in their ever-changing environments. Section 7. The web of life. Freshwater ecosystems in balance. Freshwater ecosystems are intricately interconnected webs of life. Each organism, from the tiniest insect to the largest fish, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of these systems. Plants form the foundation of the food web, harnessing energy from sunlight through photosynthesis. Herbivorous insects graze on these plants, providing food for larger predatory insects, amphibians, and fish. These predators, in turn, become prey for larger fish, birds, and mammals. Even the decomposition of dead organisms plays a critical role. Bacteria and fungi break down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the water, which fuels the growth of new plants, starting the cycle anew. This delicate balance is essential for the health of freshwater ecosystems. Disruptions to one part of the web can have cascading effects throughout the entire system. Section 8. Troubled waters: threats to freshwater habitats. Freshwater ecosystems are facing unprecedented threats from human activities. Pollution, habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species are all taking a toll on these vital habitats. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and sewage treatment plants contaminates freshwater with harmful chemicals and excess nutrients. This pollution can poison aquatic life, deplete oxygen levels, and lead to harmful algal blooms. Dams and other water diversions alter natural flow regimes, impacting fish migration, disrupting breeding cycles, and degrading habitats. Climate change is altering temperature and precipitation patterns, leading to more extreme floods and droughts, further stressing freshwater ecosystems. These threats highlight the urgent need to protect and restore our freshwater resources. Section 9. Protecting our liquid lifeline: a shared responsibility. The future of freshwater ecosystems and the vital services they provide depends on our actions. By understanding the threats and working together, we can protect these precious resources for generations to come. Reducing pollution is essential. We can all do our part by minimizing our use of fertilizers and pesticides, properly disposing of hazardous waste, and supporting policies that promote clean water. Protecting and restoring freshwater habitats is also crucial. We can support efforts to conserve wetlands, restore riparian zones, and remove obsolete dams. Raising awareness about the importance of freshwater conservation is equally important. By educating ourselves and others about the value of these ecosystems, we can inspire action and drive positive change. The fate of freshwater ecosystems lies in our hands. Let's work together to ensure that these watery worlds continue to teem with life for generations to come.